5.
5. For the second subject,
20.
and for the
40.
So now I have entered all the 5 subjects. So as you can see, first it has calculated the total marks of all the 5 subjects. Then it has given us the percentage, and then it has provided us the grade like A, B, or C. So for expressing the grade, we have used here if and else statements. And here you can see that if length marks is greater than 0, then if the marks is greater than 0 only, it will calculate the percentage, or else it just type 0. Like I'll show you what is this when all the marks are 0. So now I have given all the marks as 0. So the percentage will be also 0, because here we typed if the like the length is lesser than 0, like greater than 0, it just calculates a percentage. Like, anybody have any doubt? Brother, like this, it's our project. Am I audible, brother?
Yes, you are.
So that's it for our project.
That's it. Okay. So where are your team members?
Like Teresa didn't join today. Tejas was having some network issues, so she left the meeting.
Okay. So you did it alone. Okay. Very good. Although you were alone, you did it pretty well. All right. So what was your it calculates the it sees the marks and it tells how good it is, right?
Yeah, like it calculates the total and percentage and the
Okay.
grade.
Okay. 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 Yeah. I didn't see the last part because of my network issue. That's why. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Who next? Hitesh and Leo. Can you go next?
Yeah, brother.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Yeah, Leo, share the screen.
Can everyone visible the screen?
Yeah.
It is for the start.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Myself, Itish Kumar, and my teammate Leo Jason. We both are created a project which is named as a cricket score analyzer. In this project, where the batter performance, like what he scored in matches, it all uh, recorded in a one manner. Yeah, Leo, next slide.
Okay. Introducing our project. This project is a sample Python program that helps analyze a cricket's batting performance by entering the run score in each match. The program can collect the total runs, average runs, highest score, and how many time and the player scored 50s and 100s. This is saying in one match the player how many scored or 50 or 100. In next, it is made using basic Python level 2 concept like list, loops, and if else condition. This project shows how we can use coding real life ethically in sports like cricket. It takes runs scored in each match has input. Then it collect total runs, average runs, highest score, number of 50s and 100s. It's showing input and in uh, 50s how many the player scored 100s and 50s. Over to the Hitesh brother.
Yeah. Yeah, in this project which we are created, what are the concepts we are used in the Python concept we are used? Firstly, input to take the values from the user, where it means the player or the user want to give some runs, how many runs he scored or how many matches he played, like that. For that we use input. Next, integer. For the numeric values we use integer. Next, list. For list also, for this also we are taken like matches, runs. For that, for loop for the repeated action, if elif state condition for to check the conditions, variable to store the total averages, means to store the data about the matches or the runs. List method to append, if the player want to add another match score, like that. For that we use list method. Yeah, next slide, Leo.
Well,
Yeah, we are divided our project into step by step. The step one will explain by Leo.
okay. Step 1, taking number of matches. Here is there n to variable and integer input how many matches. Asking the user how many matches did you play. Converts the answer to an integer, stores it in n. N
What it
is
means?
very
Yeah, yeah. What it means? N is an variable. It means the matches. The player or the user want to give the data, means how many matches he played, and it converts it into integer. Integer means the numeric value, and it stores in n. N means variable. Yeah. Next slide. Yeah, step two, storing scores in a list. It means the scores. After entering the matches, the player want to enter the score. For example, he had scored first match 37 run. He want to enter like how many matches he enter. For each matches, he want to enter the runs. We had used here for in range. Why means uh, this the runs want to add, no, so the run equals to integer input enter the runs in the match. String we used I plus 1. Y is nothing but the runs which the user had given. For that the plus 1 will occur. For example, we are given this, see, 45, 60, 120, like the user want to give that. Yeah, next slide. Step 3. Yeah, Leo. Step 3, calculating the total runs, which means the user or the player given some runs depending on the matches. It it add the all the runs the user given, and it made a one list or one tag which has result sum of the all run. For example, they're given for player given first match 45 runs and 60 runs, 120 runs. This tag will do the all the, so it does the sum of the all run and give the output. Next slide. Next slide, finding the average runs. Means average means we all known commonly average means divide like total runs. The total runs means the last slide we explained, no, total runs divided by number of matches. The player had given, for example, there see example, the total run is the total run is 253 means out of three matches the player got 225 runs out of three matches. It divide this and gave the output like 75 means the average run how much he scored. Next slide. Step 5, finding the highest score. For example, the player gives some. For example, player has given three matches. Among them, the first score is 30, second score is 100, third score is 25. In that, which is the highest number or highest run? Can anyone say? Can anyone? Which is the highest? For example,
Can
the
you
player had
can you
what?
repeat? Can you
Yeah, for
repeat?
example, the player has or the user had given three matches. For three each match he had given for first match he had given 25 runs. For second match 75. For third match 89. Which is the highest?
89.
Yeah, highest is 89. This code is that only means 89, the highest run. Next slide. It find the highest score. Next, counting 50s and hundreds. It what it means, for example, 50s more than the run is greater than 50 and lesser than 99 or lesser than or equal to 99, it consider as a 50 means half century. The more than 100 is considered as a century. For example, the scores are 45, 60, 120, 578. Among them, 50s are 2. For 60 and 70 are greater than 50 and lesser, equal and lesser than 99. So it printed as a 2. 100 is 120, more than 100 or equal or more than 100. It printed as a 120. Yeah, next slide. Yeah, sorry. Open the collab. Yeah, show the code once. This is the code from beginning. What these are the things we are explained in the PPT. Yeah, gives the output. Yeah, can anyone you assume you are the cricket player, you had played some matches. Can anyone guide me or help me?
9 matches.
Yeah, you played 9 matches. Enter Leo 9. Yeah, enter. Enter first. Yeah, enter 9 matches. How many matches? 9 matches. Enter. Yeah, Sohan, for first match, you assume how much runs you scored like that?
39.
Yeah, 39, right? 39. Enter. For second match, you are scored
42.
42. Yeah. For third match, you are
45.
scored which?
45.
45.
45.
Yeah. Next,
25.
25. Yeah, say more than 50 and 100, bro. Yeah.
Like 75.
Yeah, okay. 75. Next.
100.
105.
Yeah, 105. Yeah, 105. Next.
And 100.
Again 100. 89. Yeah, next, last one. Can anyone? Yeah, 20.
50.
120.
200.
Golden
Uh,
duck.
uh, golden duck 00. Leo 0. Yeah. What it? Yeah, enter. that these are the outputs. The data, the all scores is inside the list, where the scores, all the scores match scores are inside the list, and the total, the it does the sum of the all runs, and it printed. Next, average means the total score divided by the total matches. Next, the highest score among the 9 matches, which is the highest run. Which is the highest run means the sixth match 105, the one it printed as a 105. The number of 50s, the more than 50 and lesser than or equal to 99 is was 75 and 89, they are considered as the 50s. The number of 100, 105 and 100, it's equal to 100 and greater than 100, they are the 105 and 100. Yeah, come back. 50. This is the output. In conclusion, the Python can be used analyzing real world data like cricket scores. For example, we does know this project help us to understand basic Python concept. We are used from beginning. We are said no. I am used a list for loop conditions, if statements like that. Easy to extend or use other sports or subject. Not only in a cricket, for other sports also we can use like that. Yeah, thank you. That's it, brother. Leo.
Okay, very good, Hitesh and Leo, both of you. So everybody give claps for them.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, they have
Thank
prepared
you.
very well. Yeah. Okay, they have prepared PPTs and they have used almost all the concepts, and also they have done it in a very immersive way. Yeah, very good. Uh, Good effort for the
Thank you,
project.
brother. Yeah, thank you,
Yeah,
brother.
yeah, okay, very good. So as you can see, he has thought of implementing uh, Python or using his knowledge into something that is applicable to real life. So that's a really nice way of thinking. Keep it up, all right?
Yeah, thank you, brother.
Okay, very
Thank
good,
you,
both
sir.
of you. Yeah. Okay, who's left?
Brother, meeting.
Nutan and Soha.
Yes, brother.
Yeah, go on.
So is my screen visible?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So hello everyone, and this is the code of our team. We made a budget manager. So we started off by giving income and is equal to float and input and enter the monthly income. So just in the first line, we are asking the user to give his salary or the monthly income, and in the next line, we are asking him to uh, give the rent of his house, like rent, like giving the float input and enter your rent expenses. And in the third line, we are asking about his food expenses, like using the same way, and for transport and others. And next, we used total expense to calculate the total expenses and the balance remaining by total expenses equal to rent plus food plus transport plus others. And we used, and for the balance, we subtracted income from total expense. And next, we went to the output and print back. First, we print budget summary by giving a backslash n, which is the, and print like total expenses in rupees and total expense and the remaining balance, which is then the rupees and balance. Next, we gave a lot of if statements, and if total expenses is greater than income, it will print you are overspending, try to cut down your expenses. And if the total expenses is equal to the income, it will print you're breaking even, no savings this month. And if total expenses is lesser than income, it will print good job, you are saving this much rupees and this month. And next, we gave another if statement. Balance is greater than income 0.3%, which is 30%. It will print excellent. You are saving more than 30% of your income. And if rent is greater than income 50%, which is represented by 0.5, it will print your rent is more than 50% of your income. Consider a cheaper option. So let's move on to the output of this code. Yeah. Can anybody suggest the salary?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Yeah. Yeah. And the rent? 5,000.
20,000.
5,000.
Yeah, 5,000. And the food expenses?
5,000.
5,000. 5,000. Yeah. And the transport? 6,000.
7,000.
Yeah, 6,000. And the other expenses we can give as 7,000.
20,000.
Yeah. So it will give the budget summary. If we your total expenses will be 23,000. The remaining balance will be 77,000. And the output of this like the third if statement, because the expenses is lesser than income, and it will say excellent, you are saving more than 30% of your income. Yeah, like that was about our code. This was a very small code, and we also planned about a PPT, but Nutan is at his village and not have great internet. Yeah. Okay, that's all.
Okay, that's it. Okay. Nutan,
Yes, brother.
okay, anything to add on or anything you want to share?
Brother, in my mobile not have some internet problem, brother. That why.
It's all right. Like, have you like any contributed any part in the code? So do you want to talk about it or anything?
No, brother.
Okay, nothing to say. Okay. Okay, both of you very good, Sohan and Nutan. So you have created a very good expense tracker, which is also very useful, which could be very useful for others. So now, yeah, so as you can see, you have these ideas, right? So you can think on to improve it, and like later on, you'll get many projects. So at that time, you can start like you can implement these things and add more creative ideas to it. All right. So all of you have done the project very good. Yeah, I wasn't there for the first few parts. I was a bit late, but yeah, it's all right. But other than that, everyone have done your projects very well and neatly. So this is one chance to learn how to do projects with your team and with others. And also, this is a small revision so that you can like get a hold on the level 2 topics and so that you don't forget it. Yeah. All right then. That's it for today's class. Good job, everyone. You've done a really good job with the projects. All right. Uh, so yeah, see you next week. Thank you.
Brother, what for
Brother,
next week?
Uh, uh, sorry.
what about level 3? The
Level
results
3.
are
Yeah,
getting.
I still didn't get the reply. They are still deciding it. So, yeah, if I get